Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone and you receive multiple spam call and you want to avoid all types of spam call because of sometimes everyone are very busy and some random call coming and we just simply pick and say hello and they can say I'm sending you the credit card, debit card, some other advertise related call. So how to avoid all types of spam call if you have iPhone. So first of all, I just simply enter here in the settings section, then general, then software update. Make sure you always update your iOS latest version. So that's why you and make sure you update latest iOS version so you can receive much more features related on spam call as well. Currently available on 27 beta version. I just simply go back here and just simply search here the phone app. So click here. I just simply come to the here in the main setting menu in the app section and then go to the down and here the P alphabet phones come. If you come here in the phone section in phone app, scroll down and here one of the option is showing silent unknown caller and call filters. If you see here, if you enable two option, first silent unknown call, if the number is not saving in your phone list, automatically recorded sound are telling the unknown callers, okay, what is your name and why you are calling for research rocks. Some unknown caller is my friend, he can say, okay, I am Jaipal Singh and he is my brother. You can tell them I am Jaipal Singh and I can receive the message, okay, Jaipal Singh is calling you and I know who is the Jaipal Singh. So that time I can pick the call and that time I can pick the call. But if some random person don't know who I am or who research rock, so that time the virtual assistant automatically disconnect the call or telling me, okay, one unknown person are calling you, but it's not providing any kind of authentication information. So you can very easily skip this call. Second thing, if you receive the missed call, unknown caller, sometimes you have free time, so you can check your call history and then call back to them and discuss with them. So using this process, you can avoid 100% spam call if you have iPhone. This feature is really impressive, introducing by iOS 2026. But now 27 is also available beta version. Using this process, you can very easily avoid spam call. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.